First, some safety tips. Number 1, the cave entrance is really steep, so it's important.
Ooh, safety could be so much fun.
Sammy, are you okay?
I think I have ants in my pants.
Ants? My ants!
In my pants.
Arlene! Angela! Aristotle! Look out!
You know, maybe this cave isn't that scary. Cave monster thing! Oh! Ray? Crush? I knew it was you two. And you brought snacks. You're the best. I hope Rusty can get us out of here soon.
Okay, Rock, time to roll. Let's pull that boulder out of there. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Step on it. It's working.
We did it!
Yes!
Or maybe not. Time for Plan C.
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.